Hi! Today I'll be showing you how to optimize your listening experience in SDR Sharp 1897. We will be optimizing this reception of the Fat Rat song Fly Away, broadcast from China Radio International's Albanian service, Radio Ene. It sounds pretty nasty right now, doesn't it? The first thing to do is to select the DSP option and make sure Lock Carrier is ticked. This will remove the fading distortion, which makes the signal cleaner. You might have noticed that the signal is wider than our filter. To fix this, we are going to drag the edges of our filter outwards to capture the entire signal, just like this. While you don't have to, I like to round it up to the nearest 250 Hz. We can hear loads more sound range now, but 6005 is causing some interference in the very high frequencies. To fix the interference, I'll drag in the left side of the signal in the IF spectrum window, like this. Lastly, there's still some nasty tones which are quite unpleasant left in the signal, like this one. To fix these, I drag the notch processor to get a better view, and if it is a recording, I loop the quietest part of the song so I can see those nasty tones clearly. I use the left click to make a hole in the signal. This left one is quite big, so I'll drag to make the notch bigger. I'll just put the notch filter back into the main window, and I'll stop my loop now. Did you hear that? There was some static. I like to use my soft noise reduction preset to fix the static. All we need to do is to slide the slider to the right until it sounds funny, and then slide it back a little until it sounds good again, and this time it should hopefully be with less or no static. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll let the song play out this video. Till vi möttes igen. Ha det!
Gajvina data prenten, Masonic Inesse, vetëm në Radio Ejani. Ju se vini në Radio Ejani, radioja më e mirë për hitë dhe informacione. Këtu ritmi nuk ndalet kurrë.